So what am I up to here? Well, I've been working on more and more of these simple stainless steel knives, and I need an easy and consistent way to put an edge on them. This is the latest one I've made, and you can see the edge is the same as from the material it's been made from, which is 1.5 millimeters. So I typically use my angle grinder with flap discs that are progressively finer and finer grits to create an edge. It works, but it's not super accurate because I have to work each side independently. So here in Taiwan, you can get all sorts of flap discs for different purposes, different grits, different profiles, and the like. Kingdom brand is pretty popular. You can buy it in most hardware stores. This one here is one of my favorites, but I can't always find it. You can see this style here has an upward angle. That might be good for what I want to do today, but I think I'm going to go with this style here, which is flat. As you can see, when I put them together, they close together much more tightly. These ones here are about the same, at least for the heavier grit ones. The finer grit ones, the 400 grit, has much more of a space in between. Finally, I plan to hone the edge with this cloth disc. So I'll start off with 36 grit. And then I'll move on to 80 grit. And from there, I'll go up to 120. And finally, I'll use these 400 grit discs. So here's the stupid simple plan. I don't think I need to explain. I think you can just see exactly what I'm trying to do. Never tried this before, so who knows. So for the first try, I'll turn the motor on and then shut it off and just see how the blade reacts. I think that's going to work. By the way, this could be potentially very dangerous, and so you need to take all precaution. Okay, here we go, full speed ahead. It takes a few passes to create an edge, but this really is working well. I want to check the wear on these discs and then also move on to the 80 grit. I need to give a super big shout out to Robert Simmons, who made a very large donation to the channel, which is his want as he's done similar in the past. He's really helping the channel out and helping me to take time to fool around on stuff like this. He didn't want a shout out, but it's the least I can do. Thanks so much, Robert. On to 120. I wish I had 240 as well, but I don't, And I also wish I had 400 in this same Bosch style disc, but again, I don't, or I couldn't find those. I'm actually a little shocked at how sharp this is just after using 120. On to 400. I have to say that one of these is old, and so I'll take a few passes and then reverse them. And with this style, I have more space in between. For the minimum I've done, it's reasonably sharp, but not very sharp. I only have one of these cloth discs, and so I'll use it on my angle grinder to hone the edge. By the way, these discs can be really dangerous if you're not using it in the right way. The way the pieces of cloth are stepped can make it very dangerous. It can catch if it's not being moved in the right direction. I know a lot of real knife makers will probably say I'm crazy, and to an extent they're right. You don't want to take unnecessary risks if you don't have to. I just still can't believe how well this has worked for me. Got a lot more fooling around to do.